Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Flare over here, and what we see is a 5-wave move to the upside with an extension in the 5th wave, hitting your 1.236. When we take a trend-based fib from the top of our A wave down to the bottom and up to the counter trend, we see that the 100% and the 1.236 is lying at 0.0275 and 0.0246. When we also use a fib, just a regular fib from the bottom of the trend up to the top, we do see that the 618 is sitting right in the middle of both of the fibs we found using the trend-based fib. So this is a point of interest here for our wave 2. Now, what I think, so I put the 21 and the 30-week SMA on the chart. And what I think is we may come down to tag this 30 or 21 week, right? Just as a wick, but it would be good to buy some flare over here for your spot bag, right? Ladder in, ladder in, ladder in here, and then you can build a position so you have the anticipation of a C wave higher. Now, if we take a look at flare with the source being Bitrue, we do see 5 waves are in, right? This is your A wave, right? You come down for a B wave, come down for a B wave. Once it finds its footing, and then you have your C wave to the upside. Now, the reason it may be an ABC structure is because if we go on the daily time frame, this looks like a descending broadening wedge, right? There's no guarantee that in 2024 we'll break above this level. So that's why you must be very cautious once we start to make our way towards this trend line. So if we take a fib from this very high down to this low, we see the 61.8% fib, and the 702 is lying at 25 and 39 cent. Wait, let me see here. Okay. So you see how many times we reject off this trend line? As we do that, you have a bunch of liquidity piling up here. Okay, you have a bunch of stops piling up here. So what does this become? This becomes our trend line liquidity. So it's likely we have our 5 waves here. We're coming down for a B wave, and then we have a C wave, right? It's going to come to the 50% at least, and it's likely going to pop its head above this trend line to take out the trend line liquidity at the 618 and 702. Then from there, it wouldn't surprise me that we see a pullback to at least the 38.2% fib or the 50%. Now, if you lose this 50% fib, then this becomes a descending broadening wedge, and our E wave wouldn't be in yet. So this is our A, that's our B, this is our C, this is our D with a wick to these fibs over here, and then you have an E wave over here, just like that. So this is what you must be cautious of. However, depending on how this holds, if we do come down after taking out this trend line liquidity, taking out these targets, and then find good support here, and then see a strong push back above, then we can say, oh, okay, it's going to continue on its run. But if we lose this 50, or the price action is not favorable towards bulls, then we can say, okay, it's coming down for its E wave. So this is your point of interest right here. Okay, right over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Flare video. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you like videos like this, please click the link in the description below. You get daily updates, you get access to over 300 charts. You can ask me any question you want, and you get access to a community. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.